Hi everyone.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore something very important in the world of electronics and electronic components. These are the tiny parts that power almost every device we use daily. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, how they work, and why they matter. Let's get started. On resistors. One of the most basic components is the resistor. Resistors control the amount of current flowing in a circuit. Think of it like controlling the speed of water in a pipe. If the current is too strong, other components can get damaged. The colored stripes on resistors tell us their value using a method called color coding. They may be small, but they are essential for keeping circuits safe and stable. 2 are capacitors. Next we have capacitors. A capacitor stores electrical energy temporarily, a bit like a mini battery. They help filter noise, smooth voltage, and release quick bursts of energy. You can find them in fans, speakers, chargers, radios, and more. Different types, such as electrolytic, ceramic, and film capacitors, serve different purposes. 3 diodes. A diode is a component that allows current to move in only one direction. It works like a one-way gate for electricity. This protects circuits from reverse polarity. LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, are a type of diode that produces light and are now used everywhere because they're energy efficient and long-lasting. 4 transistors. Next is the transistor, often called the heart of modern electronics. A transistor can act as a switch or an amplifier. Inside computers and smartphones, millions of tiny transistors work together to process data. There are 2 main types, BJT and MOSFET, each with different strengths. Transistors allow devices to become smaller, smarter, and faster. For integrated circuits, ICs. Integrated circuits, or ICs, are more complex components. An IC is a tiny chip made up of thousands or millions of transistors, diodes, and resistors. Each IC has a specific job: sound processing, timing, digital signals, and more. The famous 555 timer IC is used for generating pulses, oscillations, and time delays in many projects. ICs make modern electronics powerful but compact. 6 power components. In power electronics, we use components like relays, transformers, and voltage regulators. A relay lets a small signal control a bigger device. A transformer changes AC voltage, like turning 240V into 12V. Voltage regulators make sure voltage stays stable even when input power changes. So the sensors. Now let's talk about sensors. Sensors allow devices to feel and react to their surroundings. Light sensors, temperature sensors, humidity sensors, and distance sensors all make systems smart and automatic. Streetlights, air conditioning systems, and smartphones all depend on sensors to operate seamlessly. And that's the basic introduction to the most common electronic components.